In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal profile picture. This is a quick and simple update you can make from your account settings, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. If you want your profile to feel a little more personalized, or you just want to replace an old image with a new one, this process is very straightforward. To begin, sign into your PayPal account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon there, which opens your settings. Go ahead and click that icon to enter the settings area. This is where PayPal keeps the main options related to your account preferences and profile details. Once you're in settings, click on the Account tab. This section contains the basic information connected to your profile, and it's the place where you can make edits to how your account appears. Take a second to make sure you're on the correct tab before moving on, since that's where the profile image option is located. From here, look for your profile icon. Near it, you should see a pen icon, which is the Edit button. Click that pen icon to begin updating your profile picture. If you don't notice it right away, just look carefully around the existing profile image area, because that's where the Edit option appears. After that, upload the photo you want to use. Choose an image that is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you want your account to look neat and professional. Depending on the file you select, you may be asked to confirm the change once the image finishes loading. When that happens, simply confirm the update. And that's it. Your new PayPal profile picture should now be applied. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to use a well-lit photo and make sure your face or subject is centered, since profile pictures are usually shown in a small circular format. That helps the image display nicely without important parts getting cut off. So again, the process is simple. Open the gear icon, go to the Account tab, click the pen icon on your profile picture, upload your new photo, and confirm. Once you've done that, you're all set. That's all for this video.